Cool, right? Yeah, that was all done by AI. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can create something like that yourself. But how, why, and what? Well, I got this comment from the amazing Rick, and he asked me how to create these kind of videos. This is from Nextflick AI, and it shows someone pouring mini candy-like flags from a cup onto a toast, and then a knife is smearing the flags like butter into one piece. So let's get started ourselves. First, we will need to get a prompt to create the starting frame, a toast on a plate. So let's take a screenshot of this toast and crop it. Now we go to Google's AI Studio to access Gemini and ask the following. Give me a Midjourney prompt to create this. And now add the screenshot of the toast. Okay, perfect. Now we take this prompt and going to generate it in Midjourney. And by the way, all the usable prompts will be in the description for you to use. I will generate it in landscape. This looks amazing. Now we go back to the original video and take screenshot of the flags being poured onto the bread. And crop it like this. Now we go Gemini again and ask, now I will animate it and need to add something to the prompt. What do I need to add something like this? Someone pouring candy like flags onto the bread. See image. And by the way, guys, this is me showing how I unlocked the secrets of Nextflick AI and how to create these toast videos. But you do not have to go through all these steps because you can simply use the prompts in the video description, as you will see later on. Now copy the prompt. Go to Midjourney and pick a toast. Now click on Animate manually and replace the prompt with the new prompt and generate it. Now wait a few minutes. Here it is. Okay, this does not look how we want it to look. Okay, I will immediately take a screenshot and tell Gemini about this. Almost. Can you see what went wrong? Give me the correct prompt. With this new prompt in hand, we will try it again. And this time we even got two different prompts to try out. This one looks amazing. Now next, I downloaded this as a social media file for the best quality. The eye took a screenshot of the last frame. But guys, this is not necessary as you will see later in the video, but this is also a possibility. There are always multiple ways that lead to Rome. I will go back to the original video and take two screenshots, one of the knife being introduced to the scene and one of the knife smearing the flags. Now we go to Gemini and ask the following, and of course attach the two screenshots. Now I need a prompt to extend the video for the last frame, and now a knife should come and make the candy like butter. See images, give me a video prompt. Now we could simply use the extent manual, as you will see later in the video, but you can also upload the last frame as a starting frame and add the new prompts like this. Wow, these look amazing. Let's auto-extend in order to make the video longer. Let's download that part also and add it to the first part like this. Last but not least, we will download the MP3 from the original video and add it to our video with some cutting and pasting. When you are done, export it. But look at that, guys. I am so tired of CapCut. They say that I am using pro features. Bro, where am I using pro features? I did not even extract audio. Yeah, I am really tired of CapCut. All they want is your money. I give it to them that the workflow is fantastic and filters, effects, etc. look amazing. But it only works that way when you have a subscription. Otherwise, everything is botched. And yeah, I have reached a decision that I will be using Final Cut Pro now more and more. I have to learn it, but I just love a one-time purchase and a product that also works offline and is reliable. Not to drag CapCut all the way down now, but I heard that when you use CapCut, you also agree on CapCut having the right to use your content for their commercial usages. So yeah, to finish the video, I will need to edit it again in Final Cut Pro now. Okay, I have all the prompts listed for you here. First, you need this prompt to create the toast image. Then you need this prompt to add the candy flags. All you need to do here is to change the flag from Argentinian to, for example, American. And then thirdly, you need this prompt, where you also need to change the flag name. So here is a speed run of me using this formula for the American flags. And guys, if things are not looking the way you want, you can simply take a screenshot and ask Gemini or ChatGPT. But I love Gemini because you can upload as many screenshots as you want, so it seems. So that's it. Hope you can create these videos yourself now. Thank you, Rick, for the question. If you have also some questions or ideas, comments, etc., simply comment them. Love to read them. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Here is the end result. Bye.